Hello traders and welcome back to the trading week. I wish you great success this week, and remember, success doesn't always have to be measured monetarily, but that is a nice goal to achieve as well. Let's take a look at 4 key levels that I've got marked off myself on the ES I'll be paying special attention to. Starting off 2 levels down at 4005, we have an area of support that we just lost. There was a lot of action around this on the smaller time frames, but it's even very visible here on the 4-hour charts. If we do regain it and use it as support again, I'd like to see us go up and test the 4050 and potentially break it. This is the wall holding the market underneath it at this point in time. Now down below where price is trading, we have 3955 marked off. This is an area of heavy volume in the past. It's an area that the market used as support to launch its way up here during this last little bullish push. Below that even further, we have our lowest area of support relative to where we're currently trading at 3916. This is an area that was used on the lower time frames on the way up in the past and then tested again recently. Good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.